Dash cams, tiny technological marvels. They've exploded in popularity. Why? Because they offer peace of mind. Like a trusty sidekick, they're there to record every journey. In this modern age, dash cams are becoming essential. They're not just for tech geeks. From battling insurance fraudsters to capturing epic road trip footage, there's a dash cam out there for everyone. Buckle up as we explore why you should consider making a dash cam your new co-pilot. We've all heard the stories. Insurance scams are on the rise. Crash-for-cash fraudsters are everywhere. These criminals deliberately cause accidents. Their goal to make a quick buck. Dash cams are your first line of defense. They provide irrefutable evidence. Video footage doesn't lie. This protects innocent drivers from false accusations. The National Insurance Crime Bureau, NICB, agrees. Dash cams are crucial in the fight against fraud. They recommend them to all drivers. Accidents happen, it's a fact of life. When they do, things can get complicated. Determining fault can be tricky. Insurance companies often see conflicting accounts. This is where your dash cam steps in. It's like having an impartial observer. It records everything: speed, location, and the sequence of events. This footage is invaluable for insurance claims. It can help to expedite the process. No more endless disputes. The evidence is clear, justice is served. Section 4, Technological Marvels, the latest and greatest in dashcam tech. Dashcam technology has come a long way. From the bulky, unreliable devices of the past to the sleek, feature-packed marvels we have today, the evolution is nothing short of extraordinary. Remember those grainy, unreliable cameras of the past? Well, forget about them. Those days are long gone, replaced by cutting-edge technology that offers unparalleled clarity and reliability. Today's dashcams are packed with features. From multiple lenses that capture every angle to touchscreens that make navigation a breeze, these devices are designed to make your driving experience safer and more convenient. Think crystal clear 4K Ultra HD resolution. Imagine being able to capture every detail on the road, from license plates to street signs, with stunning clarity. Night vision that would make Batman jealous. These dash cams can see in the dark, providing clear footage even in the dead of night, ensuring you never miss a moment. Built-in GPS tracking for precise location data. But wait, there's more! With GPS, you can track your route, speed, and even get alerts for speed cameras and traffic updates. Some models boast AI-powered features. Lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts. These intelligent systems are designed to keep you safe by providing real-time alerts and assistance. They're like your own personal co-pilot, keeping you safe on the road. With these advanced features, you can drive with confidence, knowing that your dash cam is always watching out for you. Section 5, Accessibility for all dash cams for every budget and every driver. Gone are the days when dash cams were a luxury. The market is booming, with a plethora of options available for every type of driver. Whether you're shopping in-store or online, the variety is astounding. There's a dash cam for everyone. From tech enthusiasts to everyday drivers, the choices cater to all preferences and needs. From budget-friendly options to top-of-the-line models, the range is extensive. You can find basic models that simply record your drive to advanced ones with features like GPS tracking, night vision, and even parking surveillance. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or a new driver, there's a dash cam that suits your needs. Experienced drivers appreciate the added security, while new drivers find them invaluable for learning and safety. Commercial drivers swear by them. For those who spend long hours on the road, dash cams provide an extra layer of protection and peace of mind, capturing every moment of their journey. Rideshare drivers rely on them for safety and accountability. In an industry where interactions with passengers are frequent, having a dash cam can be crucial for documenting incidents and ensuring both driver and passenger safety. Even everyday commuters are jumping on board. With the increasing traffic and road incidents, having a dash cam can be a lifesaver, providing clear evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Dash cams are no longer a niche product. They have become mainstream, with more and more drivers recognizing their benefits and incorporating them into their daily driving routines. They're becoming as common as a car radio. Just as radios have become a standard feature in vehicles, dash cams are quickly following suit, becoming an essential part of modern driving. Section 6. User-friendly features, simplicity and convenience at your fingertips. Let's face it, technology can be intimidating, but dash cams have evolved. They're now incredibly user-friendly. Installation is a breeze, just plug and play. Most dash cams come with intuitive companion apps. You can easily view, download and share footage. Some models even offer cloud storage. Your footage is automatically uploaded and securely stored, no more fumbling with memory cards. Dashcam technology is designed to make your life easier. Section 7. Conclusion: dashcams, a wise investment for every motorist. So, there you have it. Dashcams have gone from a novelty item to a must-have for any responsible driver. Over the years, these compact devices have evolved significantly, offering a range of features that cater to the needs of modern motorists. From high-definition video recording to GPS tracking, dash cams are now equipped with advanced technology that ensures every detail on the road is captured with precision. They offer a wealth of benefits. Protection against fraud, which is becoming increasingly common in today's world. Imagine being involved in an accident where the other party tries to blame you or even stages the incident. With a dash cam, you have clear, unbiased evidence that can protect you from such fraudulent claims. Irrefutable evidence for insurance claims and advanced safety features. Insurance companies often require substantial proof to process claims, and dash cam footage can be the key to a swift and fair resolution. Additionally, many modern dash cams come with features like lane departure warnings and collision detection, which can alert you to potential dangers and help prevent accidents before they happen. And let's not forget the peace of mind they provide. Knowing that every moment on the road is being recorded can give you a sense of security, allowing you to focus on driving without constantly worrying about the what-ifs. If you're still on the fence, consider this. The cost of a dashcam is a small price to pay for the security and protection it offers. Think about the potential costs of an accident, legal fees, or increased insurance premiums. A dashcam is a one-time investment that can save you a lot of money and hassle in the long run. Some top-rated models worth checking out include the Nextbase 622 GW, which offers excellent video quality and a range of smart features like emergency SOS and Alexa integration. The 70 MAIA 800S, known for its 4K ultra-high-definition recording and advanced driver assistance systems, and the Vantru N4 Pro 3, which offers a 3-channel recording system capturing the front, inside and rear of your vehicle simultaneously. Drive safe and keep those cameras rolling. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or just someone who wants to ensure their safety on the road, a dash cam is an invaluable tool that can make all the difference.